Hey, good morning, everyone. How are you? Happy Monday, July 31, last day of the month. August around the corner. My goodness, pretty quick it's going to be fall. Wow. Anyway, good morning, David, JW, Joe, Emma. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. I appreciate it. Good morning, Maureen. It looks like the Bulls are continuing to lead us. Good morning, Angel Jack. Angel and Jack. Muthu, how you doing? So we're getting a little bit of a pop this morning. I just need to see us climb over this high right here. Hey, Bulls are in charge. Price is still above the T-line. T-line's above the trend indicator. All is good. Money lost now or money lost in a trend is just due to the breathing of a trend and panic of the traders is what it is. So Bulls are in charge. Higher we go. Maybe we get to that 380 up there. Qs. Look at the Qs here. Trying to break out from that line drawn from this high down here. Qs are just rocking. IWM setting up to move higher. J-hook type configuration here. Diamonds are doing fantastic. We're up inside day Friday, so far an inside day today. Just like the SPY, the big thing we're going to need is to break out, set a new level a little higher that price can launch from. FNGU, probably one of the most needed to watch charts in the stock market these days. And that's because it watches the charts that actually could kill this market or could beat this market. Looks like we're trying to push through. There's a possible head and shoulders setting up. But what we want to do is watch price. If price fails there, then you've got a head and shoulders that's working out. If price continues up, you've got a want-to-be head and shoulders that is doing nothing. Price is winning. So go price, go. A few charts that I have here that, and I've been up pretty early just looking at charts and over the weekend and even while I've been sitting here the last 5 minutes, there's been a lot of charts show up that just look really good. Plug, we've got that J hook or that trend continuation setting up. Let's see here. Let's do this. And what I mean by that is, you see how we trend, we run up, pull back. Whoops, not really what I wanted. There we go. Right through there. See how it starts to turn? Trend continuation. Trend continuation. So far it's doing a trend continuation. Another one is CWH. And you can see all the trend continuation setting up here. If you just look where there's a trend, we could even do that. We could even do this. We pull back, trend continuation. Here's pullback. I'm going to do all that. Trend continuation. Here we move down, trend continuation right here. So that CWH. Oh, one thing I've not even looked at is earnings. So be wise to earnings. Thank you, Jack. I believe this is the, if I'm not mistaken, this or last week is the heaviest week in earnings. So once we get past this week, for sure, the earnings will start dropping off, and I think that'll make trading much easier, much calmer. Here's CPL. What in the world am I thinking of? PYPL. And here again is that J-hook continuation or that bullish trend continuation setup where we rise, we pull back, establish a bottom, and then rise higher. PYPL looks like we're breaking out of the 50 period moving average here this morning. Let's take a look at SQ. SQ's doing the same thing. A lot of these came up Friday, if you guys all remember, and of course they're still here today. So rise, pullback, looking for that continuation. RVLV. This is a rounded bottom breakout, and we've got that trend continuation. Here we pop up, pull back, set up a trend continuation, and move up. Do it again, move up. PBO, that's what this is, PBO. It's a pullback opportunity within a trend. Pullback opportunity within the trend. What I use is a combination of lower than a recent high, but higher than the 17. And I like the 17 trending. Pretty simple, really. Nothing complicated. I want it below a high and above the 17, really. And that's what I'm looking for inside there. There we start looking for price, reason to buy. Pins, look at pins here. So here's a nice trend. Here it fell out of the trend. And here we, looks like right now anyway, based on the candlestick, we still need follow through up a little bit. But that looks like trend continuation right in there. Let's see, what else? Anyone have any charts you want to look at this morning? Change it up a little bit Monday. USB, thank you, Jack. USB, there we go. Ooh, that's pretty, Jack. See, this is part of trend continuation. Anytime we get it's this area right here. It's that area. And I say this area, going back to this candle right here, because that's the only candle that broke out. This could have been 9 candles. We could use those 9 candles. Actually, that's not so right at all. You could have 2 maybe in there, something like that. So this is bullish. We're setting up for that trend continuation. I drew it all the way to below this candle. Now what I'm going to do is draw it like this, because that is the area that I'm looking for inside that little box right there. USB, I'm going to flag that. Thank you very much, Jack. Very nice chart. Pins. Is Pins earnings tomorrow? Okay, great. Yeah, thank you, Carly. ZIM. ZIM is doing fantastic. This is another one, just simple trend continuation. Nice bottom. We want to look for, as many things as you know in a chart. For instance, a rounded bottom. So what is a rounded bottom? Well, a rounded bottom is like a bowl, is what it is. And you have a side of a bowl, and then you have a bottom of a bowl, and then you have the right side of the bowl. If you're short, you make money on this side of the bowl. If you're long, you make money on this side of the bowl. It's real simple, really is. The bottom, stay away from that. That's where the decisions are being made. Are we ready to go up with the bowl, or are we ready to continue that side of the bowl down? All charts eventually will end up with a bowl unless they go to bankruptcy or go down to zero. All charts end up this way. So here we put in the bottom of the bowl, and now it's showing signs of building the right side of the bowl. And you can look at little signs over here that, give you those little clues. See that level right in there, and then a lower level, and then that level right in there. Inverted head and shoulders. That's one of the charts, or the chart patterns that we look at when a bottom is created. So far, it's done that. We've broken out of this high, which is an absolute plus. And now we've gone from these lows to a high to a PBO pullback opportunity, and now we're reaching up for a higher high. Gorgeous chart. This has got a lot of things going for it. So nice chart. Now that doesn't mean that this chart can't pull back a little bit, but right now I'm looking at a target of about the 1690 up there. So ZIM 1690. After that, reevaluate, and let's see if it can move to the 200 up here. But right now, right in there. Watch for pullbacks for add twos or For somebody that's not in it, maybe like me, I might look at for an entry on a pullback there. Super chart. BLDR, but earnings. I'll look at it, but the truth of it is, we just wasted whatever time looking at it, BLDR, because who's going to trade it through earnings? So, I mean, I'm not. So, Twinkie, are you? Let's see, CHG, see, that's another one. If you know, Twinkie, if you're going to trade, okay, see, we wasted our time looking at them if we're not going to trade them. Marvel. Good morning, by the way. Good morning. Take a look at Marvel. Marvel, see, there is no earning issues here. And look at that chart that's put in this little bottom. We rose to a high, swoop down, and now we're setting up for a little pop out of the box coming up right in here. That's a chart you want on your watch list right there. What's something you can do today, tomorrow, things like that. All right. I think the chart of the day here, or of this morning, is ZIM. Keep an eye on ZIM. I do believe ZIM still goes higher, and I'll look for a pullback to be a buyer of that. I think some people here are in Walmart. I'm still in Walmart. That's moving up. I'm looking for the 162.75 target, 165.86, and so on and so on. Telray, that's another one, still holding. Looks like Telray is popping up this morning. Now, Telray's been up a nice big gap, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So likely I'll be taking profits on my Telray today. Wait for a pullback, maybe set up and do it again, okay? All right, I want to wish everybody the best of trading today. I was going to say the best of luck with trading. There is a small, very small piece of luck involved with trading, but about 99% of it is education, paying attention to the charts. We'll see everybody bottom of the hour in about 25 minutes. Everyone take care. Thanks.